Hello everybody and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another crypto update. And today, it is not the update that you want, but it's the update that you need about Binance. Yes, guys, Binance is one of the leading crypto exchanges right now. It basically acts as a bank for most people in the crypto space too, and it's my go-to source and my whole circle's go-to source for anything related to crypto trading. I mean, yeah, kind of. Well, having said that, they have been under a lot of stress over the last couple of days. Yesterday, we had some headway that Italy has now put up the status of Binance not being regulated. And today, it's also Hong Kong that has put up that little notion. There's been multiple different countries, though, over the last couple of days. Here you can see Hong Kong once more. And, well, today, another thing that happened was this right here. They have stopped offering stock tokens, which was really kind of the nail on the head. Together with that, one thing that also happened a couple of days ago was their euro was completely stopped. I think the Great British Pound was completely stopped in terms of bank transfers, and a lot of people have been wondering what exactly is going on. So let me tell you guys a little fun story about Binance. So Binance is a company, crypto exchange, that has been operating for a pretty good while here. I've been with them since the start of the start, I think somewhere at the end of 2017, maybe mid-2017, and they've always treated us fairly with a lot of discounts on trading fees and whatnot, but they never really had a proper formal structure. What they basically had, I think from the get-go, is a Byzantine structure, which means that they have small companies set up in almost any country in the world, which basically connect to each other, no formal headquarters, making it really difficult to sue, making it really difficult to see what exactly is the top company. However, of course, if you're inside of Binance, you most likely know because, well, one company has to make the majority of the money, right? But they basically have small companies in every single country. Yet when the UK a couple of days ago, actually, I think, tried to ask some questions to Binance, Binance went over to Twitter to state that, hey, we are in your country, we have a company there, but that company has nothing to do with Binance.com, which left a lot of people wondering, which company exactly is the Binance.com itself, and what country is that? Now, a couple of people said in Malta, Binance is properly regulated, and for me, it is extremely difficult to look through all of these things to find out exactly where the big Binance stands and what countries have to do with that, because if you check your country, there's a good chance that Binance has some sort of office over in that area. And that's also why a lot of these countries are asking questions, because Binance might not be officially authorized, but they've also never been declined to operate in that specific area either. And they have a company there, they've most likely put up their requests. In almost every single country, they do that. In almost every single country, they have at least some sort of representation, yet not the main thing. And that's also what's happening right now. More and more countries are noticing Binance is a behemoth, and my personal speculation, which I don't really want to put up too highly, but all right, my personal speculation is that there's two main things going on. One, countries want to seem a lot more serious about this money laundering and about rules for exchanges. And two, they are afraid, the banks and whatnot, for Binance's superpower status. Right now, Binance is so ridiculously huge that the amount of money locked up in there is insane. It is insane, it is insane, it is insane. And so they're basically overtaking the status of bank, and they've become a really, really huge bank, basically. I'm not sure what the next word for that is going to be, but it's a behemoth, basically. And traditional banks might be afraid of that. Traditional regulators might be afraid of that for, again, once more, two reasons. One, a lot of the money is locked up, so if they leave, that's pretty scary. And also, second of all, the government or big parties don't know what your money is doing, don't know where your money is at, and it's not in the traditional system anymore, so it messes up the entire balance of the economy. Those are my kind of two speculations as to why they're cracking down right now. They just want to see where the money is. They don't want to know exactly what's going on. They want to make sure that you are safe in this entire regard, obviously. At least that's what they're saying. And they want to make sure that nobody can make money off of anybody else's back and get rich without paying your taxes and all that type of stuff. Binance has been under the radar for such a long while, but this year, no. All right. The regulators have come for them. And so it's every single country after each other, just asking for, hey, Binance, what are you doing? Hey, Binance, what are you doing? Hey, Binance, what are you doing? Now, in that specific regard, I think Binance is, like they've said before, really compliant, and they really do want to work with all these regulators to fix their stuff. However, they've just not gotten the status just quite yet. So whenever you see an article like this, These regulators are just saying that Binance has not been authorized. That does not mean they're going to be blocked, and that does also not mean that Binance doesn't want to. They've just never gotten the thumbs up from the country itself, but they've also most likely never been denied, because in the US they were denied, and they made a specific US company to actually handle it there. Gemini is kind of teasing them, saying that we will actually beat Binance through compliance. Could be. We'll see how long Binance is going to last. I still have a lot of my money on Binance. I might change that though. As you guys most likely saw in my last couple of videos, I took some out purely because I'm a little bit afraid that at one point or another, taking your money out is going to be more and more annoying because, as I just explained to you guys, there's so many suspensions over there that it might become, annoying, as I said. Then again, I still trust them to the fullest, and my funds still feel safe over there. But I just wanted to quickly let you guys know about the situation. So, do you guys use Binance? Let me know in the comment section down below. I still have a referral link, I think, down there somewhere because I still use it every single day. So, it's not like it's a really big thing, but, you needed this update, I think.